What is up, you guys? I am back here with another video, and today this one is a different kind of video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to shoot in 4K on your iPhone. So you don't need the newest kind of iPhone out there. You can do this as well on the older ones. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do it on my phone, which is the iPhone 11 Pro, and then also on my brother's phone, which is an iPhone 6s. So the first thing you do is you go into your settings, and then you go down to camera and then record video, and it shows all the different kinds that you can record your video on, and I have mine set at 4K at 60 FPS. So if you have an older phone too as well, you can also record in 4K, and I wanted to show you that on my brother's phone, which is an iPhone 6s. So the same thing, you go to your settings, go down to camera, and you also have 4K on there as well, but on that one it's only 30 frames per second. So you don't have to have a newer kind of phone to record in 4K. I know this is a different kind of video and it's going on a different day as well, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell down below, and I'll see you in the next video.